and welcome to this course. In this course we will talk about Weebly website. We will make our free Weebly website and we will use Google AdSense in our free Weebly website in this course. So what you have to do is just follow me to all the course. We will discuss multi-functions of the websites. We will discuss important pages. We will also discuss about important things to make a better and effective website in this course. So let's start from making a new account or creating a new account in Weebly. In this lecture we will talk about how can we create a new Weebly account. For making a new Weebly account you must have a email address. As I have email address, so just search on Google that weebly.com. When you will search weebly.com you will see here weebly.com, Weebly website builder, create a free website store blog. You can even create a new blog. You can create new e-commerce store if you are entrepreneur. So let's sign up from here. Right click on this sign up button and the form will appear here. Alright, so just write your name here, write your email address and write your password that you want to put here. And now you have to create. Alright, my password is. Alright, so click here, create your site. When you will click here it will appear a new page. It will redirect you to the new page. Let it working. It's I think internet problem. You can see it's very slow. Right, so you have to click here save. So whenever you will come again to weebly.com your password will automatically fill and email address too. So here it is asking that what do you want to make. Do you want to make a web store, online store, or do you want to make a website? So because I don't want to make here a web online store, so I will click here not now. He's just asking here, do you want to sell online? It means do you want to make online web store? So I will click here not now. I don't want to sell anything online, but I just need to click on to create new website for me. So that's why I click on here not now. When you will click on not now, the theme will appear for your website. Now in this section you have to select a theme for your website. There are a plethora of themes you can see here, and select one theme from them. Let me select go to portfolio. Personal themes are also available if you want to make your personal website, or event, no other. I think I will get some alright, so you have to select a theme from here. Okay, so I'm going to select this one right here. When I will click on this theme it will appear here to check you that do you like or not. So I will like this theme, so I will click here start editing. Right, so whenever you click here start editing it will it is, you can see here now creating your site. It means it is creating my website and it is now redirecting me to the editor page of the website. So that's how you can just create your free account at weebly.com. Now as I have talked to you that I have email account here, so I have not received any email from Weebly now still. So it's editor setup of the weebly.com account, right? For more information you can visit my blog, which is jahanrecord.blogspot.com. Let me write here when you will. This is my blog. I post here plethora of things about Weebly, about Blogspot, about YouTube, so you can get a lot of things from here if you want to learn many more about Weebly.com. Because my internet is slow, so that's why it's still loading. If you have better internet connection, you will get your editor page here. So what you have to do is just sign up here weebly.com and keep visiting this blog, and you will get a lot of things from there. So in the next lecture we will talk about more functions of the Weebly, and we will create complete website at weebly.com. Thank you.